Most people think dreams are random, something that just happens while you sleep. But what if your dreams are actually a doorway to your subconscious power, a place where your future can be rewritten? What if tonight, while the world sleeps, you begin designing the life you truly want? Most people wake up from a dream and immediately dismiss it. They brush it off as imagination, as random pictures created by a tired brain. But the truth is far more powerful than that. Your dreams are not meaningless stories. They are messages from the deepest part of your mind, the part that never sleeps, the part that stores every experience, every belief, every hidden ability you possess. During the day, your conscious mind is busy analyzing, worrying, judging, and reacting to the outside world. It is loud, restless, and constantly distracted. But when night comes and your body begins to rest, something incredible happens. The conscious mind slowly quiets down and another level of awareness begins to rise. This is the level where your subconscious mind becomes active and expressive. In that state, your mind communicates through symbols, images, emotions, and experiences that feel incredibly real. This is why dreams often carry strong feelings. Sometimes they bring clarity, sometimes warnings, sometimes solutions that your waking mind could not find. The subconscious mind has access to far more information than your conscious thinking ever will. It observes patterns, connects ideas, and stores knowledge far beyond your daily awareness. When you dream, you are stepping into a space where this deeper intelligence begins to speak. But the problem is that most people have never been taught to listen. They wake up, forget the dream within minutes, and move on with their day. They ignore the guidance that appeared during the night. They miss the opportunity to learn from the most powerful part of their mind. When you begin to understand that dreams are communication, everything changes. Instead of ignoring them, you start paying attention. Instead of forgetting them, you begin to remember. Instead of believing they are random, you realize they are reflections of your inner world and your future possibilities. The moment you accept that your dreams are messages, you unlock a completely different relationship with your mind. Sleep is no longer just rest. Night becomes a laboratory for transformation, a place where your subconscious begins revealing ideas, answers, and creative solutions that can reshape the direction of your life. Before you can begin directing your dreams, you must first learn how to calm the constant noise of the mind. Most people go to bed with their thoughts racing in every direction. They are thinking about problems, responsibilities, worries, and unfinished tasks from the day. Their mind is restless, tense, and scattered. When you fall asleep in that state, your dreams become chaotic reflections of stress rather than meaningful experiences guided by intention. The key to taking control of your dreams begins with entering a deep state of mental relaxation before sleep. This is not ordinary relaxation. It is a deliberate process of slowing down the body and quieting the mind so that your awareness begins to shift inward. In this state, your mind becomes calm, clear, and highly receptive to suggestion. Imagine lying down in a comfortable position and gently closing your eyes. You begin by taking slow, deep breaths. With every breath, your body begins to release tension. Your shoulders relax, your muscles soften, and the weight of the day slowly fades away. Instead of focusing on outside distractions, you bring your attention inward. Now your thoughts begin to slow down. The mind is no longer jumping from one idea to another. Instead, it becomes peaceful and steady. In this calm state, you begin to count slowly in your mind, perhaps from 10 down to 1. With each number, you allow yourself to relax deeper and deeper. As you reach the final number, you notice something important happening. Your body feels heavy and calm, but your mind is still aware. You are no longer fully in the busy, waking state, yet you are not completely asleep either. This is the doorway between the conscious and the subconscious mind. This quiet level of awareness is where the mind becomes incredibly powerful. Your imagination becomes more vivid, your thoughts become more influential, and your subconscious mind becomes open to direction. Instead of drifting into sleep randomly, you are preparing the mind to move into the dream world with purpose. When you practice this kind of relaxation consistently, your mind begins to recognize it as a signal. Each night, as you enter this peaceful state, you are training your mind to move smoothly from waking awareness into the deeper levels where dreams become clearer, more meaningful, and more connected to your intentions. Once you have learned to quiet your mind and enter a state of deep relaxation, the next step is to program your mind with clear intention before you sleep. Most people allow their dreams to unfold randomly without guidance or purpose, but you have the power to direct them consciously. The night is not just a time for rest, it is a laboratory for your imagination, a place where you can plant seeds that will grow into real life results. Before you close your eyes, you decide what you want to experience, learn, or achieve in your dream. This is the moment when you speak to the most creative part of your mind, the part that has access to answers, insights, and solutions far beyond your conscious thinking. To program your mind effectively, you must first be specific. Don't say, I hope to have a good dream. That is too vague. Instead, focus on what you truly desire. It could be clarity on a problem, inspiration for a project, a solution to a challenge, or even guidance about your future. Picture the outcome as vividly as possible and allow yourself to feel the emotions that would come if this were already happening. Your subconscious mind does not differentiate between reality and imagination. When you present it with clear emotional images, it begins to work as if these outcomes are already true. You are giving it a direction, a blueprint, a purpose to follow during the night. Visualization is the most powerful tool at this stage. Imagine the scenario as if it is real. See it, feel it, and experience it in your mind with every detail. The more vivid and emotionally charged your intention, the stronger the signal you send to your subconscious. Combine this with a calm, relaxed state, and you create the perfect environment for your mind to receive instructions that will guide your dreams in a meaningful way. You are no longer a passive observer. You become the architect of your own dream experience. Consistency is key. Each night before sleep, repeat this process, reinforcing your intention and commitment. Your subconscious mind begins to recognize this pattern and starts working on it even before you are fully asleep. Over time, your dreams shift from being random and confusing to being focused, purposeful, and full of insight. Your mind becomes a powerful ally, helping you explore solutions, ideas, and possibilities that you might never have accessed during your waking hours, allowing you to shape not just your dreams, but your reality. Once you have learned to direct your mind with intention before sleep, you begin to discover the immense potential of using your dreams as a tool for problem solving and guidance. Dreams are not just fleeting images or stories that pass through your mind. They are a communication channel from your subconscious intelligence. Every problem, every question, and every challenge you face in waking life can find an answer within the dream world if you approach it with clarity and purpose. The subconscious mind does not operate under the same limits as your conscious mind. It sees patterns, connections, and solutions that are invisible when you are awake, and it can guide you toward insights that feel profound and even miraculous. When you use dreams intentionally, you treat them as a laboratory where your mind can experiment without fear or consequence. You bring a question or challenge to your subconscious before sleep, clearly stating it and focusing your intention on finding a solution. The subconscious mind receives this request, and as you drift deeper into the dream state, it begins to work on the problem using imagery, symbolism, and intuitive guidance. Often the answers will come in unexpected forms, through conversations with dream characters, vivid scenes, or symbolic events, but your mind knows how to interpret them if you remain open and observant. This process requires trust and patience. You may not always understand the dream immediately, and sometimes the solution may appear days later, once your mind has fully processed it. But each dream, when approached with intention, becomes a stepping stone toward clarity. It is like having a personal advisor within your own mind, always available, always creative, and always focused on your growth. By consciously engaging with your dreams, you are transforming them from random nightly experiences into powerful tools for insight, innovation, and guidance. The beauty of this approach is that it bridges the conscious and subconscious mind. You are no longer at the mercy of chance or random imagination. You are collaborating with the most intelligent part of yourself. You begin to notice patterns, recurring symbols, and consistent messages that point you toward decisions and actions that align with your highest goals. Over time, your dreams become more than just a reflection of your mind. They become a direct source of wisdom, showing you possibilities, solutions, and paths forward that were previously invisible in waking life, teaching you that the answers you seek are always within your own consciousness. To fully harness the power of your dreams, it is essential to train yourself not only to have meaningful dreams, but also to remember and interpret them. Most people experience dreams every night, yet they forget the majority of them within minutes of waking. This is not because the dreams lack significance, but because the mind has not been trained to retain and decode the messages that are delivered while asleep. Remembering dreams is the first step in transforming them from fleeting experiences into practical tools for growth, insight, and guidance. When you make the conscious decision to recall your dreams, you begin a process of awakening a deeper awareness that bridges the sleeping and waking mind. The practice begins with intention. As you prepare to sleep, you tell yourself that you will remember your dreams. You may repeat a simple phrase in your mind, such as, I will remember my dreams clearly, while visualizing yourself waking up and recalling every detail. The subconscious mind responds strongly to repeated suggestions, and over time, it begins to retain more information, even while you are in the dream state. It is like planting a seed. The more attention and care you give to it, the stronger it grows. Upon waking, it is crucial to record your dreams immediately. Keep a journal or a notepad beside your bed and write down everything you can recall, no matter how small or seemingly insignificant. Dreams communicate through symbols, emotions, and subtle imagery, so capturing every detail is important. The act of recording reinforces the memory and strengthens the connection between your conscious awareness and the subconscious mind. Over time, you will notice patterns and recurring themes that offer guidance and insight into your life. Interpreting dreams is an art of observation and intuition. Symbols often represent deeper aspects of your life, emotions, or challenges. By reflecting on what each element may signify, you begin to understand the wisdom your subconscious is conveying. The more you practice, the clearer and more precise the messages become. Dreams transform from mysterious, fleeting images into a roadmap for your decisions, creativity, and personal growth. You begin to trust the guidance that arises from within, and you realize that the ability to access this inner wisdom is always available to you, waiting for your conscious attention and focus. The final step in mastering the power of your dreams is learning to turn the insights and guidance you receive into real-life transformation. Dreams are not meant to remain locked within the night. They are a bridge to your waking reality, a tool for shaping the life you desire. Every idea, solution, or revelation that comes from the subconscious carries immense potential, but it only becomes effective when you act upon it. The conscious mind has the ability to take the abstract wisdom of dreams and apply it to tangible choices, actions, and strategies in your daily life, creating a direct link between imagination and reality. When you awaken from a dream with a clear message or insight, it is essential to treat it with respect and intention. Reflect on what it means for you, consider the decisions or changes it suggests, and determine the steps necessary to implement it. Sometimes the guidance is direct and straightforward, other times symbolic or abstract, requiring thoughtful interpretation. The key is to see your dreams as a resource, not as entertainment or random imagery. Each dream carries instructions, advice, or a perspective that your conscious mind may not have considered, and applying these insights can accelerate your personal growth, problem solving, and creativity. The process of turning dream insights into reality also involves consistent practice. Just as you train your mind to remember and interpret dreams, you train yourself to act on the messages received. Start with small actions that align with the guidance of your dreams. Perhaps it is an idea to approach a problem differently, to take a step toward a goal, or to adopt a new mindset. Each action reinforces the connection between your subconscious wisdom and your conscious decisions, creating a feedback loop where your dreams begin to influence your life in increasingly powerful ways. Over time, this practice transforms your relationship with both sleep and waking life. Nights become a laboratory for creativity, problem solving, and self discovery, while days become a canvas for applying that guidance. Your subconscious mind, once a silent observer, becomes an active partner in shaping your reality. You develop clarity, intuition, and confidence in your choices because you know that the answers you need are always accessible within yourself. By consistently bridging the gap between dream insights and conscious action, you unlock the full potential of your mind, realizing that the power to change your life is already within you, waiting for you to take control.